5 AM5 motherboards, 5 different approaches, and 1 clear winner. Stay until the end because the strongest board is not necessarily the one with the most expensive branding. In 5th place is the Asus B650E Max Gaming Wi-Fi W. On paper, it starts well. You get support for modern Ryzen processors, a next-generation graphics slot, fast wireless networking, and a white design that works nicely in a light-colored PC build. The main advantage is feature expansion. Both the graphics slot and the primary M2 drive can use PCI Express 5. You also get 3 M2 slots, 4 SATA connections, BIOS flashback, and a pre-installed rear shield. So building and troubleshooting should be fairly straightforward. But here's the problem. Its power system is the weakest in this comparison. The third M2 slot runs at reduced speed, and none of the rear USB connections goes beyond 10 GB per second. The audio system is also fairly basic compared with the boards higher in the ranking. So this model makes sense for someone building a white gaming PC who wants next-generation expansion without paying for premium extras. But if stronger power delivery matters to you, the next board is more convincing. Links to all the products from this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. 4th place goes to the Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite AX. What stands out immediately is how practical it feels. It has strong power delivery, substantial cooling, plenty of rear USB connections, and simple release mechanisms for the graphics card and M2 drives. The 14+2+1 power system is stronger than the Asus Max board, and the primary M2 slot supports PCI Express 5. You also get 2 additional high-speed M2 slots, 4 SATA ports, and a front USB-C connection capable of 20 gigabits per second. The limitation is the graphics slot, which remains on PCI Express 4. The rear USB-C port is also limited to 10 gigabits per second, and the audio system is less impressive than those on the next 3 boards. Wireless hardware can also vary depending on the motherboard revision. This is a solid choice for someone who values strong power delivery, lots of USB ports, and easy installation. But for better audio and a more premium overall feature set, the next model is more interesting. And if this comparison is helping you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In 3rd place is the Asus ROG Strix B650A Gaming Wi-Fi. For me, the biggest attraction here is not raw expansion. It's the combination of premium audio, useful building features, and a clean white and silver design. The ALC4080 audio system with a dedicated amplifier is the strongest audio package among these 5 boards. You also get PCI Express 5 M2 slot, fast rear USB-C, Wi-Fi 6E, Intel 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet, BIOS flashback, and tool-free mechanisms that make assembly less frustrating. But the main graphics slot is limited to PCI Express 4, while the 2 higher-ranked boards support the newer standard. Its 60-amp power stages are also less substantial, and using the third M2 slot can disable the secondary full-length expansion slot. This board suits anyone who cares about audio quality, design, and a smooth building experience more than maximum expansion. But if you want stronger power delivery and PCI Express 5 for the graphics card, the next motherboard is the better fit. 2nd place goes to the Asus TUF Gaming B650E Plus Wi-Fi. This is where the feature balance becomes much stronger. It combines serious power delivery, modern expansion, good audio, and useful installation features without focusing too heavily on appearance. Its 80-amp power stages provide more headroom than the Strix board, while PCI Express 5 is available for both the graphics card and primary M2 drive. Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet, fast rear USB-C, BIOS flashback, and the ALC1220p audio system make it a very complete package. There are still compromises. It has only 3 M2 slots, 6 rear USB connections are limited to older USB 2 speeds, and the third M2 slot shares resources with the secondary full-length expansion slot. USB 4 also requires a separate add-in card. For a powerful gaming build with a high-end Ryzen processor, this is one of the safest choices here. Still, the board in 1st place offers a slightly better mix of audio, expansion, and overall connectivity. 1st place goes to the ASRock B650 Steel Legend Wi-Fi, and honestly, this board wins because it avoids most of the major compromises found elsewhere. It offers strong power delivery, modern expansion, premium audio, and fast connectivity in one balanced package. You get PCI Express 5 for both the graphics card and primary storage drive, plus 2 additional high-speed M2 slots. The 80-amp power system is suitable for demanding processors, while Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet, fast USB-C, and optical audio make the board useful for both gaming and everyday work. It's not flawless. The secondary full-length slot uses an older standard and can lose bandwidth when certain SATA ports are occupied. The front USB-C connection is also limited to 5 gigabits per second, and there are only 2 rear analog audio jacks. But if you want the strongest overall motherboard from this group, this is the most complete option. It's especially attractive for a long-term gaming build where graphics expansion, storage speed, audio quality, and processor support all matter. Check the top-ranked motherboards using the links in the description below the video, and remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product comparisons.